We all heard what Smriti Irani said about period leaves, and women do not need leaves for something as natural as periods because we are well equipped to handle that. Now, this is a topic which leads to a lot of conundrum. There are people saying that this is a natural process and we should not get any special privileges for that, or the male counterparts are saying that we should not give any special privileges. There is also another school of thought which says that no, we actually do suffer a lot, and finally it is time for you all to hear us out and give us our due days of rest or choice or whatever we might call it. What are your individual views as menstruators, as a brand owner of Anahat? What is your view? Should women get period leaves or not?
We very recently introduced menstrual leave for our team at Anahat, and we took this decision sitting together as a team, and taking experiences of people, experiences of the founders ourselves. We are driven by women, so 80% of our workforce are people who menstruate, right? And it made complete sense for us to introduce menstrual leave. Number one, because we are an organization who's promoting, first of all, menstrual health and hygiene. We have a sustainable brand. We're doing advocacy. We are everywhere in every format talking about menstrual health and hygiene. I think that's one of the reasons why it completely made sense for Anahat to introduce menstrual leave. I think second reason why we thought we should include it, because we don't look at menstruation from a very monochromatic point of view. It is something very relative. It is different for different people.
Yeah.
Experiences are very different for young girls who has just reached menarche. It's different for people who are trying to stabilize it at the age of 30 and then also suffering from problems like PCOD, PCOS, which is so. Um, uh, I think 6 out of 10 women now have
PCOD.
PCOD. It's that much, right?
Exactly.
It again, we can have a very lengthy conversation of why so many women are suffering from this. There's a lifestyle change. There is a change in the food habit. There's a change in the stress levels that women go through, right? Now, also considering most of them join the workforce, they get educated, they want to contribute, and they join the workforce and want to be independent. So I think these are a lot of things that lead to, we also need to recognize the fact that there are extreme form of period pains like dysmenorrhea, right? There are several conditions that women, endometriosis, right? Very high rate of women right now suffering from endometriosis, and there are lots of good organizations who are doing awareness and talking about it. It also sometimes in extreme cases it leads to complete lack of mental stability and suicidal thoughts, right? So considering all those things, I think when Smriti Irani said that menstruation does not make you a handicap, I think she hurt a lot of sentiments, first of all, over there. She hurt a lot of sentiments just by saying this one line, right? She actually means to say that if you're a handicap and a menstruating person, then okay, go and ask for leave. But just being a menstruator does not put you in that. So I think a better choice of words would have been wiser from somebody who's representing women and child at a national level, right? So that was something that we completely don't agree with. And again, yes, Pooja, you also mentioned the first school of thought that you mentioned is that people thinking about how the introduction of this leave is going to affect their how they are counted as in the workforce, right? Because women have worked really hard to find their representation right now in corporates, in bigger positions, in roles of CEOs, CFOs, the C-suite roles. How is it going to look at that position?
Yeah, I think women have fought so hard to find their seat in the table, and they have always. It might be wrong for us to say that, but they have always been taught if you want to reach the peak of the workforce, you have to think like a man. You have to drop your emotions. You have to, be strong and assertive, and you have to, hide your vulnerabilities, and you cannot show your emotional side. You cannot show your sensitive side. You have to show your side, which is very poised, very in control of everything. So in the middle of all of this, when a woman is thinking, no, I am in a lot of pain, so I need to take a leave, and she feels that maybe if my team will get to know of this, they will see me in a different color. They will not see me with that kind of respect, with that kind of strength, because for them, this is not something which calls for a leave or which calls for rest days. So I think that notion itself is stopping women from asking for their rights.